Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks for clicking in. I have here a broken nail. So I decided I was going to make a video on trying the tea bag method. I have been seeing this everywhere when you YouTube how to repair a broken nail. This is the first thing that pops up is a tea bag. So I thought instead of trimming down my nail and regrowing it, I'm going to try this out and see if it is as easy as they say it is. So I am just prepping my nail and pushing back my cuticles and buffing lightly over my nail plate to remove any as well as product that was left on my nail plate. And I am now shaping my nails and we're gonna go in with the Bond. And after Kiara Sky's Bond, I'm going to cut a piece of this tea bag out and place it over where I have my broken nail, and then I'm going to size it from there. After I properly size it to fit my crack, I'm going to place a little of the base only where my nail is, and then I'm going to grab the piece of tea bag and place it over the crack. What I love about Kiara Sky's base is anything you put on top of that, it's going to stick right away, which is very helpful for this method. And I'm going to grab some little scissors and cut the extra off. And now I'm ready to put the base on 3/4 quarter of the nail down and start dipping into Kiara Sky's natural powder. And as I dip, I like to hold my finger down for at least 10 seconds for the powder to properly adhere, and wipe that off, and we're going to go in with the base from the cuticle down and repeat this process twice. And as you can see right here, I am really getting the side of my nail where it chipped with the base a little bit more, and dipping in for 10 seconds and pulling out to repeat that process one more time to build my strength. Alright, so that was the second coat from the cuticle down, and this is what it looks like after the base. I am shocked that I cannot even see the tea bag. It's crazy, I can't even see the crack. So the tea bag method definitely works. So after the base, I'm going to go in with my Seal Protect, and this is going to cure to where I can file and shape. Wipe off the dust and go in with my last Seal Protect. Now I'm going to top it off with Kiara Sky's Dip Systems top coat. First coat, let dry for 60 seconds. Wow, you guys, I am so impressed with the results. You can't see anything. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I'm going to finish this off with my last and final top coat and air dry that for 60 seconds as well. And finish this nail repair off with my Nourish oil. Rub that in, and I am noticing with my other 4 fingers, because those are fills, it's crazy how different they look. I'm not sure I'm going to be doing fills anymore. I don't even know if I am doing them right, but I like the look of that nail better versus when I fill them. So yeah guys, this is what it looks like after I apply the tea bag and restructure it with Kiara Sky's dip system. I think it turned out great, seamless, and you can't even see where the crack was. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Have a great Thursday, and be safe. Bye guys.